Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's workshop. Yesterday we got the post in that's going to be our spiral staircase and the first landing. So today we're going to work on the treads and risers to get up to the first level. I'm still not exactly sure how I'm going to do this. I'm just kind of winging it as we go. Unfortunately, by the time you see this, it'll be too late to give me any ideas or thoughts on how to do the treads and risers differently, but I still don't even have a clue how I'm going to do the handrail and spindles. So if you got any ideas on that, post it in the comments below.
To the bone, just trying to make something out of nothing, you know. You never wanted silver, gold, or the finer thing. Just a wife and kids at home in the American dream. Oh, how you gonna step in line? A big windshield or a plane, not a TV screen. Don't you need the road to tell you who you really are? Find out whether or not a man could ever change his stars. Oh, how you gonna step in line? This is our time to rewrite our American dream.
Pretty sturdy. I'll take my chances. I believe in dancing. When the times get hard, I ain't afraid to work. I watch the sunrise like it's the last time I might ever get to see her smile. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but maybe I don't need to understand it. I take my chances. I watch love die, and I let love hurt. I've been the man with the gun and the innocent one on the run. I pulled
on the safest bet. I looked the devil in the eye, smelled the whiskey on his breath. Well, I'll never know why I was born to go, but me.
Well, I got all but the bottom riser in, and I can't put that in just yet. That'll be a little bit later. As I was putting them in, I realized I made a mistake yesterday. Now, I wish I would have trusted my gut, because as I was looking at this 6x6, the angles didn't look right. But I knew I'd done the math. I knew that it was correct. And in my head, I thought, well, it's just because it's I'm only seeing half of the polygon, so it just looks weird. Well, no, it's off. I did the math right. I double checked it, but I didn't put the angle in my saw that I calculated that it needed to be. I don't know what I did. I don't know what angle it is, but basically it's making the first two spaces be wider than they need to be, than the next two to be cramped together. I don't know a real fix for it. If I would have caught it before I cut the mortises, I could have fixed it, because I could have just cheated the mortises. But now I think it's too late. I think I'm just going to embrace it. I think it will add to the whimsy of the whole thing. You know, some mismatched stairs. The height will still be the same. So, you know, it's not like I'm going to have a code enforcement coming out here and checking my treads. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and build the treads to fit it. It's going to make it a little odd because some of the treads will have to be 2 boards. But we'll see how it goes. You know, we'll make it what we can and see, you know, do the best we can with what we got, I guess. So.
To understand it, I take my chances. But maybe I don't need to understand it. I'll take my chances.